Welcome to Dazed in Flavor. Today I'm going to take you on a tour to my favorite Mexican grocery store. Let's go. I don't know, I kind of admire this. I think it's going to be very spicy. Okay, I have to use them one day. It's almost the size of my palm. Okay, this is maize. Purple maize. And this is one I wanted to show you guys. Look at this. Guess what it is? Cinnamon. This is how, my grandfather used to have this churrito or the smoke. Looks like that. And this is cane sugar. Reminds me of my grandpa's place where we have these trees. And this is hibiscus. Dried hibiscus. Yum! It was so delicious. Hope you'll enjoy this recipe. Please remember to subscribe, share, like and comment. Peach tree. She had some gorgeous bunches. There were around 300 plus fruits in this peach tree and everything organic. We happily shared with our friends and neighbors, and we did make yummy peach cobbler, peach jam and peach wine. I'll be sharing the recipe of this peach wine shortly. Hi all, welcome to Dazed in Flavor. Today's a special episode. Surma. How to make this simple surma at home. This is chemical free and preservative free. Easy to use, does not smudge and is also waterproof. Now let's see how to make this.